Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will solve another Python interview coding question. Okay. Yes. So today's question is how to reverse each word in a string in the Python. Okay. And we have to check it will by the two methods. Basically, what interview want? They give you two strings. Okay, your first name and last name. Okay, and they want the reverse but without changing their position. Okay, here I consider the string which contain the two words. You can say that this is the original string. First name it should be reverse, and his last name should be the string. Okay, and we expect the reverse string like this. Okay, let's start. uh, First we can see by using the built-in method, and once we get the logic from the built-in method, we can check the output, expected output with the without using the built-in method. Okay guys, so let's start. So here I take the string, okay, reverse string, and stored into the one object called as the original object. Okay, next we use one of the Python function called as a split to divide the string into the two word. Okay, right now our string is stored into the original string object. So what we do, we take this object and tell them you can split it, okay, by space. Here I not mention anything, okay, it is empty, so it by default consider as a space. If we give uh, the comma or anything, okay, so basically you have to mention to split it where the in string you found a comma, then you can split it. Right now we have only space, so we can mention like this. Okay, and if you want to see how it's work, let's see. Just simply print the statement, then you can easily understand. Okay, here you can see, okay, the first name is go the zero index of this, and second last name is go on the second list. Okay, and it will split. Now it will be the very easy for us. Okay, okay, now what we do, these two words are stored in a variable. Okay, we have to store in anywhere, right? So we can store in a different variable. So simply what I do, I told, okay, the one first name variable, comma, second name. Okay, it can be simply stored, and this is the flexibility of Python. You can call it to variable and tell to the split. You just simply store one by one. Got it? Okay, then once we store, then next step should be we reverse the both word by using the Python slicing. And what is the slicing and how it's working, we saw the yesterday's video. Okay, then we can simply use it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, where is the first name? First name we can, so we can slice it and store into the same variable. Similarly, we can check for the second name. And if you want to check it is working properly or not, simply print here. Okay, let's comment till this, otherwise it will take. You guys, okay guys, you can see, okay, means our logic is working properly. Then we don't need this print. This is just a practice. Okay, you have to also try at your end what exact this line is performing, how it's getting the output. Then you can print it and you can see your logic is working properly or not. And line by line, it's basically your logic will be the getting stronger. Then simply we have to connect this word or this object together, then we can get this expected output. Got it? Let's print it here. Just print chicken, the, the first name comma second name. Okay, and also we have to check if it is working properly or not. And just for the program get more understandable, we use the check the original, what is our original string and where it is stored, original string. Okay, here. Okay guys, here you can see clear difference. Okay, what is our original string? This is, and after the reverse without changing their position, it will look like this. Okay, I hope this is the understand everyone. And then let's check how we get the same output but without using the built-in method. Okay, let's check. I need this, so I directly copy from here, paste it here. Okay, till this line our logic will be same. Okay, we store the variable, we store the string into one variable and split it, and the first name stored into the first name object, second string is stored into second name object. After that, okay, if you go or if you saw our previous video, then you can easily understand it. Okay, in previous video we can directly see that by using uh, the three methods. Okay, we can directly solve it. What is that? Just check it. First we have to create an empty string, then we have to loop through each character and add that character in front of the previous character. Okay, this is our previous program, and we directly copy this string line. Okay, and we have to make changes according to our this program. We have to use the same logic for the two times. Why two times? Because in first program we have only one string, okay, and we store into the one object. But right now we have two string, and these two string we stored in two different object. Okay, the first logic we use for the first name. Okay, so where it is stored. Okay, so first we have to create one empty list, sorry, empty string we called as a first reverse string. Then and then after that next logic we the call the loop, and the what loops go, loop start for the uh, character and it will go for the string, and where this actual string is stored here guys. Okay, just listen carefully, because we split it, we stored these two string in different object. Okay, I will show what if we directly get this. Okay, I will show this way also. Okay, first see this. Okay, and let's start. Then once the loop start, it will take a character, it will go in the first name object, he found a reverse string and it start looping. Okay, make your changes. First print the character, then the second, and it's stored into the reverse string, which we created empty here. Okay, the same logic we have to use for the second string, second name string. Got it? And we, for that we also create a one empty list for this string. We take it and we told for loop you have to use this for the second name. Okay, here and here. Now let's print the both. Simple, because we need our final output, no? This one, which is we already get it. Okay, that's why we need to join it, or we have to connect each other in simple way. This is the, let's run. Okay guys, here you can see this is the first, this is the second, and they are not changing their position. Okay, and we get our exact output what the interviewer want. Okay, let's make more realistic. Okay, in this way you can build your logic in simple. Don't make it more complicated, just go this in simple way. How it will be work if I change here, how it will be work if I change here, like that. Okay, just hit and try. Okay, okay, simple. Now I just get more visibly look well, so I just create cut from here and paste it here. I hope this is understand to everyone. Okay, okay. As you can see, we approach by using the both method, right, which is we already mentioned here. We see by using the built-in method, and we see how it will work without using the built-in method. Okay guys, then the next, the important interview tips here. Okay, one important thing to remember that this solution work when the string contain the two words. Okay, only two words. If the string contains the multiple words, we need to use loop based approach, okay, to handle the all words dynamically. That is slightly different solution, which we can cover in another video. Okay guys, so that's it for the today's video. If you are preparing for the Python interview or automation testing interview, this channel will help you with coding question and practical solution. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. And the next most important thing, remember, it's never too late to restart. Okay guys, bye. See you into the next video.